Good morning, friends. Welcome to SRL BJNR Government Arts and Science College, Khammam. This is our new smart board facility in physics department. So smart boards were totally 10 smart boards were installed in the college. And regarding this, this is a smart board. This is an additional board to write with chalk. And here is a interactive camera which can be used to record the classes on smart board. And here is the pen, e-pen to write on the smart board. And this is the remote control for the projector. This is a BenQ made projector. And here are the smart board related supporting equipment. This is a UPS, smart board interactive system, and a keyboard, then mouse, and here is a projector for that smart board. Totally such 10 systems were installed in the college as of now. Thank you.